So every time I go ride, somebody asks me how I'm securing my cooler, what kind of box is that, how I'm securing the box, what's in the box, what do you carry. So we're gonna go over that today and I'm gonna show you. But basically, I found a guy on Facebook. He cuts these brackets out that holds the cooler, a specific cooler. You have to tell him which cooler you have. And these Ridgid boxes, this is like a $40 box or something like that from Home Depot. They stack together so you can put a smaller one on or a same size, but it'll stick up that high depending on how much cargo you need. So it's Big Hammer Fabrication on Facebook. I don't think he has a website, but I'll link the Facebook page below. I think I paid around $100 for these. Raw steel. You can get custom logos cut in them. Mine just say Razor because that was just what he had. You can get some that say has a little stick guy humping the word it, so fuck it, which is kind of funny. Just pretty much anything. You can cut your name in it, but I'm gonna show them to you. Pretty simple. It's pretty much all it is right there. See how it says Razor? You can put anything you want. It was bare steel. I painted it. He can powder coat it for you. Use the Polaris lock and ride system, I guess it's called. Then you got your drinks. This is a Grizzly cooler. This is the cheapest cooler he made mounts for because I'm cheap. You can get a Yeti one, but it allows it to move some, but not much. This is how the Ridgid box is held down, just in those little grooves. Same lock and ride system, but what I carry is we got the Polaris toolkit that's in here. Also got a lighter, a multi-tool in there. Got some duct tape. Got a strap. Gotta have a strap. Got some tools. Nothing fancy, just some sockets. Then I got some starting fluid to reseat the bead if I pop a bead. Got air compressor. I've got that's a plug kit. We got some shackles, extra plugs. Got a snatch block that doubles the winch, so it'll make a 5,000 pound winch like a 10,000 pound, which is good to have in case you're really stuck. Also got a spare belt so that I can change a belt if need be on the trail, which hopefully I never have to do, but it's good to have. I can sell it to somebody if they need a belt on the trail also. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll link the stuff down below. Follow me on Snapchat. I post riding footage all the time, just random whatever I'm working on. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and I guess I'll post a video some other time whenever I feel like it. Post some ideas down below and I'll catch you guys next time.